guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mrs. and I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm actually quite excited because I've never done this before and I do like to do a little bit of challenge here and there. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to get my 4-year-old daughter to pick my makeup, and I'm a little bit scared because, you know, I don't know what she's gonna pick. So what I'm gonna do is show you the clip of me picking out the makeup with my Missy, and then I'll come back and then we can create a full glam. But before I show you the clip, make sure you do subscribe if you love this type of content. Make sure you put your post notifications onto all. I would really appreciate that. And follow me on the Insta. It is missy.sydz. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. What's good, everyone? She ain't got no idea what's going on. She ain't got no concept of what the backside she's gonna be doing. I'm just gonna give you guys a disclaimer. I don't have no makeup office or makeup room. It's in an area where the lighting situation is not really that great, so I just brought in what I could carry, so not everything per se, but to be honest, it would probably be more easier for her to pick out these selections anyway. So and I already done my brows off camera because I ain't got much in that department anyhow. So I'm gonna bring in Missy now. Missy. So this is a Missy. This is my Missy dumplings. So today mommy's gonna do some filming, okay? And you're gonna pick up mommy's makeup. Yeah? They can't even see you, Nunan. Are you excited? Yeah. Yes. Okay, cool. So listen, I'm gonna give you guys another disclaimer. Most of my packaging, the lids are completely lost. Where my makeup is kept, my 1-year-old son has this habit of taking things off the lids, or taking the lids off like the packaging and just hiding them. So my makeup collection is gonna look trash. Just don't judge me, okay? Okay. So we're gonna do primers first, okay? So you've got to pick one of these primers for mommy to use.
Okay, I'll pick this one.
You're gonna pick that one? Okay, cool. So now we're gonna do foundation first. So you've got this selection.
Yes.
You've got this selection.
Yes.
And then you've got this selection, okay? So which one do you want to go ahead with first?
The top one.
You want to do the top drawer?
Yeah.
Okay. And which one?
There's so many browns.
Yeah. Don't judge me, girl.
This one. This is a big.
Ooh, she went for the Uoma beauty hang. Okay, cool. And can't be mad at that.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do for concealers. So these are all,
The concealer.
well, semi all. But yeah, pick a concealer and pick any one you want. Okay, conceal and define. Oh, she actually picked the right shade as well.
Yeah.
Cool. So what made you pick this one?
Yes.
No, what made you pick it? Why did you pick it?
Because I want it.
Because you want.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do bronzers. So you've got this tray and you've got the top one here for bronzers. So which one do you want to pick from? This tray? Okay, that's not a bronzer, my bad. But yeah, okay, and that one's too dark to bronzer.
No, I picked that already.
So you want to pick this one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's super.
So we're gonna go on to powders. So you've got this drawer and that drawer for powder. Okay, which one do you want to pick?
This tray.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, and from that tray, which one do you want to pick? That's not it. No, baby, that's not it either. No, that's not it. That's actually my fault. Those are all powders. So which one do you want to pick?
Just powder.
Wow. Okay. The most dysfunctional, unorganized picking makeup ever. Please do not judge. Which one would you want to pick, Nunan, out of these? That one?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, all over face powder. Out of these 4, which one do you want to pick?
This one.
That one? Okay, cool. Blushes. You got this, and then you got these 2. Which one do you want to pick?
These 2.
No, you have to pick one.
This one.
You want to pick that one?
Yeah, because it's have a heart.
It's got a heart. Oh,
Yes.
you're so cute. Right, lastly, we've got the worst thing for me, which is eyeshadows.
Yes.
Obviously, my collection ain't big. I ain't got no shame because I can't stand them. But anyway, you've got these to pick at, Nuno. So which one? You can stand up if you want to see it clearly.
That's this one. This one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it's like a chocolate.
Yeah, it is a chocolate bar eyeshadow palette. So you got your dark lipsticks at the top. You've got like your mixture of nude. And then you've got lip glosses. So pick a lipstick first and then pick a lip gloss afterwards. So which...
I'm gonna pick the dark one. I'm going to this one. Because it's super duper dark and purple.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm not too sure I'm going to wear lip gloss now. But okay, no. So we go for this. A setting spray. I don't have many because all of them ran out. And Sai threw some away. So... pick one. That one, yeah?
Yeah, the green one.
Okay, thank you, Nonon. I'm not gonna lie, me look a bit thirsty. Look a bit thirsty. So, we are gonna dive right into, and we're gonna start with primer. And I'm not really happy with the primer she picked. It's not like I hate this primer, but I just feel like it doesn't do what it claims to do. And it's the Makeup Obsession All A Blur Primer. And it's meant to be, obviously, a blurring primer. Now, I don't even have huge pores, so for it to not really blur my pores that much, I don't know how it would react for other people that have bigger pores. But it's nice on the skin, but I just don't feel like it does anything for my pores. So now we're gonna go on to foundation, and low-key I was like, go on, Missy, because she actually picked one of my favorite foundations, which is the Uoma Beauty Say What foundation in the shade Brown Sugar T4N. I don't know why I always say F. T4N. And this is a soft matte hydrating foundation. It's actually one of my favorites. In a way, I wanted her to pick something different, just because I have used this quite a lot in my last recent videos. But I ain't mad, because get at me like this foundation. That is the foundation done. Honestly, that foundation just gives me life, girl. We're gonna move on to concealer, and she actually picked a very OG concealer of mine, and I do alternate between the two. So the one that she picked is the Conceal and Define, and funny enough, she actually picked the shade that I use because I do have other shades in this range for, like, you know, different purposes. So the shades that I do tend to use to highlight is 13 or 12.5. I would say it's got like nice medium coverage, and it's definitely less mattifying in comparison to the Infinite one from Revolution, but I haven't used it for a minute. Oh my god, I actually just realized that my daughter literally picked out so many Revolution stuff. I am so sorry. Oh no, I'm definitely gonna have to do this video again to switch it up. Like, the hell? No, I think I'm gonna get her to pick a different translucent powder, because she picked out the Revolution Banana Luxury Powder, and I feel like it's just too much Revolution stuff. So I don't know. Missy, I know you picked up this powder for me to use, but I want you have to stand up so they can see you. They need to see you, girl. The camera's there. Okay, take two. Okay, so I know you picked up this powder, but mommy wants you to pick up. So I've got my tray of powders here. Mommy wants you to pick out a different powder, please.
So what's that noise?
It's
Terracotta?
yeah, I think so, yeah. Pick up another powder, please.
This one.
Okay, so she's picked out. Show them. Pick it out. So she's picked out the Huda Beauty. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I know I just cheated, but I just feel like she's picked out another Revolution product. So I don't want to kill you guys with Revolution. So she's picked out the Huda Beauty. This is the baking powder in the shade Kunafa. So I'm going to use that instead. Thank God it's not Revolution. No shade, obviously, to Revolution, but, you know, I just don't want to bore you guys with, like, Revolution products. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty. To be fair, it's a really nice powder. It is quite fragrant. That's the only thing. A lot of her complexion products are quite fragrant. Okay, so now that's all set into place, I'm going to bronze, and she's actually picked up one of my favorite bronzers, which is the Charlotte Tilbury one. I think she picked it more because of the packaging, and obviously the packaging is quite luxurious, so I think that's why she picked it, but I am not hating, so I'm definitely just going to bronze with this. Wow, I always go so heavy. What is wrong with me? Jeez Louise, girl. I haven't even dipped back into the pan, and the product is still as pigmented all the way through. Right, I'm gonna go in with my all over face powder, which my baby girl came through because she knows that this is my favorite. It is my classic OG go-to L'Oreal True Match foundation powder, the super blendable one, which looks like so. I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and just slightly go over my bronzer a bit, dim it down just a tad. Okay, so now we're gonna go with blush, and you know what, yeah, I am not mad that she picked out this. Again, she picked it out because it's obviously pink and it's got like little patterns in it, and I haven't used this for a bit, but I remember I was going through a phase when I was using this on a regular basis. I did a separate review, and this is the Roxi blush palette, or Blush Burst palette, in collaboration with Revolution, and I low-key like this whole color scheme. Like, even this is more on the lighter side of the spectrum. It's actually quite doable for my skin complexion, but what I personally like to do now is literally do this. Just rub my whole brush in there, like just get all those different tones and shades, girl. And on my cheeks, girl, like it just gives you that nice pinky, girly, flush tone to the cheeks. And I low-key like this. I low-key am digging it. So I'm gonna go onto my eyes. I'm gonna just use the same concealer, the Conceal and Define one, to prep my eyelid. I am just gonna do possibly one eye on camera. The palette that Missy picked out is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette, and this was literally one of my favorite, probably first palette from Revolution as a whole. And again, she definitely went for this because of the packaging. I mean, who would not pick this out, because it does look very edible. So she went for this, and these are the color selections inside. This shade down here, which is like your brown, out of the palette. It's actually really nice. Hey, all right, rose chocolate. Is that a lash on my brush? That's a lash on my brush. So I think just to deepen out the outer V, I'm gonna go in a mixture of this shade here, which is like a dark mauve brown, and this little berry shade here. I think I'm just gonna go in with the two, just to darken my outer V. I should have actually applied this shade first. Yeah, I should have applied this shade first. But anyway, so I semi-cut my crease, and I don't know what shade to go in, because this palette actually has some nice shimmer shades. That one right there, again, it's pretty, it's safe, so why not? So I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, look at that, look at that. Okay, so that is one eye semi done. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera. I'm gonna put on some lashes. I didn't get Missy to pick out my lashes because, again, I don't have a lot to pick out, so I'd rather just use what I only have. So I'm gonna do that and then get back to you guys and do the rest of my face. Okay, do not judge my laziness. I really can't be bothered to do my hair. I can't be bothered with the laying down, sorting out frontal, whatever. So I went for my typical hide your lace with the bandana and a mummy high bun, okay? So yeah, the eyes are pretty much done. So I'm pretty much just going to mimic my bottom lash line with the same shades that I used prior. I think I'm gonna add, once again, that gold shade there in my inner corner, just to make my eye a little bit more popping. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting, and Missy picked out the Colourpop. This is the one in collaboration with Makeup by Shayla, and this is in the shade Booming, and it is booming. I mean, I can't really tilt it too much, but there, that is the shade Booming, the Colourpop in collaboration with Makeup by Shayla. The only reasons why I don't use it as often, literally because it's a loose pigment and I am a clumsy person. Okay, so now for the lipstick. Missy picked out the Sleek Matte Me lipsticks, which I haven't used in ages, and I don't even know what shade this is because the shade at the bottom has come off. What shade is this? Oh no, I'm so sorry guys, I don't know what shade this is because usually the label's at the bottom of the container. I'm gonna try and find out, but that's the shade there. Does the lipstick match the look? I don't know. Personally, I will always wear nudes, like, let's be real. Anyway, lastly, we're gonna set the face. She picked up the Pixie Glow Setting Spray, or Glow Mist, which I absolutely love, and I'm so thankful she picked this one. So I'm gonna spray my face with this. Am I missing anything? Or is this a complete look? I I think this is actually the completed look, you know. Okay, well, this is the completed look, and I must say I actually really like this look. I think the only thing that's throwing me off is just the lip choice with the eyes. I feel like something about it is not working, but it's okay, if that makes sense. I'm gonna bring her in and let her, you know, see my feet. So, Missy, come closer so you're in the camera.
Oh, good.
Is it good? Do you like it, Nans?
Yeah.
You're just such a little cute and about your butt. What do you say?
I love it more than your eyes.
You love my eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Here? So you like the gold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they're sparkly gold.
Because it's sparkly gold.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, guys, that is pretty much the end of the video. Doing my full Am I suffocating you? Sauce. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video, doing my full glam of makeup using makeup product that's been picked by my 4-year-old. I really enjoyed doing this video. I'm definitely going to do this again and, you know, do a little bit more challenges and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. All the details will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and your support, and I would love to see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye.